Have you ever wondered what a chiropractor actually does? A chiropractic is a healthcare profession that focuses on diagnosing, treating, and preventing disorders of the musculoskeletal system, particularly the spine. And chiropractic care primarily focuses on chiropractic adjustments or spinal manipulative therapy. But we also use other therapies to relieve pain, improve posture, and restore function. The goal is to help the body heal naturally without the use of drugs or surgery, addressing issues like neck pain, back pain, muscle tension, and even stress-related discomfort.